Hello, in this video I want to show you how to find your Alcatel 1SE Lite when you lost it somewhere in the room and you can't identify where it is. And to do this, first we'll need to set up our Google Assistant on a lock screen and also make sure that you have some volume app on the phone. You can check our previous videos on how to set up Google Assistant for the lock screen. Now when everything is ready, all we need to do is to ask, "Hey Google, where are you?" Now your phone will make a sound and it will be easy to find it. You can even try to ask it for playing any music track and this will be, I think, even better. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.